If you're experiencing account sync issues in Elden Ring, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you get back to playing smoothly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Elden Ring website or social media channels to check if the game's servers are down or undergoing maintenance. If the servers are experiencing issues, you may need to wait until they're back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Elden Ring completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary sync issues. Step 3. Verify internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by testing your connection on other devices or running a speed test. If your connection is weak, try resetting your router. Step 4. Update the game. Make sure that Elden Ring is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates on your gaming platform and install them, as updates often fix bugs and improve connectivity. Step 5. Relink your account. If the issue persists, try unlinking and then relinking your gaming account. Go to the account settings in the game, unlink your account, and then follow the prompts to link it again. This can help refresh your account data. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any account sync issues in Elden Ring. If problems continue, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance. Happy gaming!